What we're solving right now for JTACs is really important. We're changing the whole show of what networked exercises can look like. So before it was massive domes and big facilities and all these requirements. Now we're able to take that into a very small area, which is extremely important for the JTAC to be able to get training in reps and sets and recurrencies. So the mixed reality allows us to expand on what you might see in the field. So your limitations on money, on aircraft, on ammunitions, right? You don't get those in the field necessarily. It all costs money. So everything in the VR environment, we're able to replicate, duplicate, and recurrency constantly, which saves money and obviously brings our troops back home because they're able to get the training requirements that they need. So the Vario XR-4 Secure Edition was the perfect implementation for us to incorporate into our DMO product because it's high fidelity, it's realistic, and it's be able to do pass-through for them to be able to see the JTAC. The idea of being able to see the realistic aircraft, being able to target and understand exactly the munition that they're dropping, we're able to have training that is as realistic as possible for our warfighters. We do this all for the warfighter and making sure they get to come back home to their families.